Designed for your business. We'll start with a beautiful modern-style home screen that will be relative in design to your business theme or website. Information displayed can be anything related to your business. Homepage background can animate or fade to a variety of different images. Contact. Detail information on where your brand is from. From the app, fans can call, email, get GPS directions, or visit your website. Submit photo. Email photo. Users have the ability to email photos directly from their phone to the app. For instance, if you named a tab Party Cam for your mobile app, users could email photos of their favorite moments, which you could then post on your Facebook page. Events. List your weekly specials or upcoming events using this feature. Your customers will be kept up to date with the ability to add those events to their personal calendar. Comments. Fan wall. This is an easy way to increase engagement with an app. The feature allows users to comment, ask questions, and discuss what they love about your business or service. Users can share photos, reply to each other's comments, and view the location of fellow users. QR coupons. This feature utilizes your mobile device's camera and allows users to collect coupon scans right through the app. With QR coupons, you can provide easily accessible coupons to your users. Each scan of the code will get the app users one step closer to a reward. Loyalty. The loyalty feature allows users to have an in-app version of a traditional stamp card. Rather than pulling out the hole puncher or scribbling an easy-to-forge symbol, the vendor punches the secret code into the customer's phone to add a stamp. Once users have reached the required number of stamps, they'll unlock the deal. This deal can be redeemed immediately or saved for later. Videos. YouTube form. A YouTube channel tab is a great way to display your business's YouTube channel in a clean, accessible format right through your app. Email forms. Creating forms within the app is a great solution for generating customer feedback, taking appointment, reservation requests, and gathering information from users. You can select from field options, adapt existing options to meet your needs, and customize the design of the form to create your perfect submission form. Mailing list. Stay in contact with your customers by gathering names and email addresses directly inside your application. Music. The Music tab is a great way to share and sell tracks inside your app. You can import, upload, or link to music files to easily integrate them within the app.
Still you keep fighting for what you're not sure.
Musician info. Included information about you or your band. Create a page for each member or all. Social network. Add your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Yelp, YouTube, or Instagram page to connect with your users through their favorite social media sites. Social connect. Users can sync their Facebook and Twitter accounts within your app. This pulls their profile photo and name, which displays, along with their comments and posts throughout the app. It's also a great tool for seamless activity sharing and tracking. Skipper. There's more. As an incentive when you sign up, you'll have access to our Skipper Business Manager app. This will allow you to manage your app. So in theory, you're managing an app with an app. Let's check out some of the features. Once you launch Skipper, simply log into your application's account to view all your users' activity. You can connect your Twitter and Facebook accounts to your business's application also. Interacting with users and enhanced analytics. Send targeted push notifications to your users all from this application. You'll be able to see orders, reservations, and any loyalty interactions users are making from here. See how many users have downloaded and interact with your business's application. Give us a call.